are wasting our time!
Over to the left-hand side, but now look right 45 degrees. Find the needed. Needed line of communication. Red light, the smoke comes on. They stack top to bottom, 1 to 5. Coming right, the pilot is behind the leader. He's a little rudder to swing the jets out like a pendulum as they ease up in line astern.
Oh dear!
We fly most of our formations with the odd-numbered pilots on the left and the even-numbered pilots flying on the right. This shape is reversed backwards the other way around. So 3 and 5 are on the right, then 2 and 4 are on the left. They want to switch back to a north now, so they're going to do it like this. This is the slalom. Lightning as he pulls around 4.5 G with more. Red, white and blue in battle. The odds on the left and the evens much more comfortable on the side. Now right there behind Shippo.
Can you scared? Don't worry, Cat.
The white smoke comes on, they switch the colour smoke. This is the Shippo break.
Head. Yes! No, come here! Stop here! Mama!
Right on the right-hand side is red 7, synchro number 2, Lieutenant Tom Mould. Tom's in his second year in the team. He is a former Tucano flying instructor and a space pilot. He then through the Typhoon before joining the Red Arrows. That's him over on the right with the smoke on, followed by a red 8. Looking left with the smoke on is red 6. He is chased down by red 9. The 4 jets are now descending to just 100 feet. Their closing speed is 820 miles per hour. Cameras ready. This is the amazing Shippo Pass. Right 45 degrees. Just to the left of old Harry Fox there. With some red and with white and blue smoke on.
Gabby! Hey, check Gabby! Get your mum!
2 and 3 performing more rollbacks as they fly towards us. This is a flat maneuver. The clouds just rolled in. We call this the Cobra. Now using red and blue, and bricks 4 and 5 pitch up to roll to the outside of the formation as they finish the Cobra on left. Now look left and right again for the synchro pair as they come in for their final manoeuvre. This time the 6 on the right and red 7 on the left. Here they come now with the white smoke on. Their closing speed is 800 miles an hour. They go across 3 times in opposing 363 turns within 6 Gs. Here we go, the synchro pair. This is the Carousel.
Filming it!
One in the first car, pulling 60 in his turns. They're going to cross 3 times now, switching their spread colour from red to blue and vice versa. They come on the front, Farmers, please put your hands together for the synchro pair. Now, straight ahead, here comes the formation with of Red Nation 9 for the display's finale. This is the Vixen Break. You've been watching the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows! Right on there, with some perfect smoke on, pressing the red and blue buttons together, so that the other 8 get rid of him as quickly as possible. They're going to join up for a 9-6 formation and head back to Bournemouth Airport, where our team of Blues will service the jets, put more fuel in, put more diesel in for the smoke system, and then we're going to get ready to fly 10 jets back to our home base of Royal Air Force Scampton, just north of Lincoln this afternoon. We get ready to do a very busy run of displays all around the country next week. If you'd like to find out more about the team, then do please visit our website, which is raf.mbt.red. On Facebook, we're RAF Red Arrows, and on Twitter, we are
Yes, it's quite cold.
Head down to the Royal Air Force Village Friday in Bristol Pier, you'll find our public relations unit, so red and white inflatable English style boats. You'll meet the local Blues, our support staff, who can speak to them about their experiences with the Royal Air Force. And also their experiences as it's hot today, isn't it, Cal Bates? But I was going to dedicate the heart to David and Cal Bates, who are here. You've got the exhibition on the House of Museum up on the rooftop, or the walk from the pier up to the rooftop. It's the 24th wedding anniversary. Very happy anniversary, Carol. So as they roll up down the line, they're going to battle with some more red, white and blue. Aaron team red, white. Everybody here is Bournemouth.
I can see it. It's good. Jet skis are good. Jet skis. Voila.
Here's red, white. Ladies and gentlemen, the Red Arrows!
Oh, they're coming in! Now I'm going to dash and meet them, grab my jet and fly that back to Bournemouth to Scampton. We've got some fabulous bits and bobs coming up this afternoon, finishing with the brilliant Royal Air Force Typhoon display. I hope you enjoyed our display. It's been a pleasure talking to you. Thank you very much for watching and for listening, and I wish you all the very best on behalf of everybody at the Red Arrows. Have a great afternoon.
Thank you very much indeed. Scotty and Mangling, what about a big round of applause for him as well? He's working so hard, and there you go, he's almost lost his voice completely this afternoon. Absolutely superb. Well, Andy, very briefly, because we're going to bring the next few aircraft in fast, what sort of difficulties would they face there with that lowering cloud?
There's just 2 points that they're coping with there. We've been thinking about solutions for the moment, whether they take for see the wind, which is going to blow the select down the beach towards Christchurch, likewise with the lowland. Can they switch from the flats or lowland? So mostly a flat display there today. Likewise the adapting of the heart, which she would have dedicated to David Carroll then. We had the vortex instead. So that's how they keep
Hey, if you guys like this video, if you did,
click
the thumbs up and subscribe and you are. Thank you. See you guys next time. Bye.